Hello! In this video, you will learn how to turn a simple Word document into a fully SCORM-compliant course using iSpring Suite, perfect for uploading to any LMS. First, open iSpring Suite. If you don't have it yet, head over to iSpringSolutions.com to download the latest version. Once installed, go to the Books tab and click Browse to upload your Word document. With your document loaded, click the Publish button. Then, head to the LMS tab. Here, you can name your course, choose where to save it, and decide whether to enable offline access using the iSpring Play app. Next, under LMS Profile, select the eLearning standard your LMS supports, for example, SCORM 1.2, SCORM 2004, or xAPI, Tin Can. Once everything's set, click Publish. iSpring will generate a SCORM-compliant zip file. You can preview your interactive course right in the browser, or upload it directly to your LMS. And that's it. You've transformed a static Word document into a dynamic SCORM package, ready for deployment. Thank you for watching.